Okay, this is the picture of what we have here. Now here we have to calculate our I there. Then the first question say under the nominal, convert 12% per annum interest rate compounded quarterly to the effective annual rate. Okay, and then the next question, if I equals to 12.5% per annum, find I 4, which means we must find what is it. We must calculate our annual one. Okay, we have to find our effective nominal, effective annual interest rate, effective annual interest rate. Okay, let's try to convert this one. How are we going to convert the first one then? Quarterly. Oh, right. Let's try to look at B. Let's try to look at B since we're running out of time. Now, what is important here from this one, we have to make an assumption that the principal to be P there. We can make the assumption that the principal to be P and the period of the investment to be 1 year, according to the statement. Say the period of investment to be 1 year. Then we'll use our nominal one for the number of compounding in a year. Okay. Now, what is the formula? It's 1 plus I E equals to into 1 plus I n divided by n. All right. I'm just using this kind of bracket or brace, and then to the power of n. Okay, so right here, if you look at B, we are looking at B here, this example of B. All right, then it says it's compounded quarterly. So then this equation connected nominal interest rate to the effective annual interest rate. Okay, so what is happening there? What is your I there? Is equals to 12.5%, right? Which is equals to 0.125, right? Right, let's try to be fast on this, and then if you substitute on that formula, what is happening there? Remember, we said quarterly, so then your n is going to be affected today. What's going to be your I there? Then you're going to have 1 plus I, or 0.125. This is your I. We substitute on this, and then equals to, what is it? What we're looking for here? We want the effective. This is nominal, and this is in here. Am I right? Yes, this is N. This is E. Right. So if you substitute it here, it's going to be 1 plus I n divided by 4. Remember, n is equals to 4 in the sense that there is quarters. We said quarterly. So your n is going to be 4, all raised to the power of 4. Okay. So if it's raised to the power of 4, then what we have here, you're going to have 1 plus I divided by 4 equal this side, and then we want to find the root of 4. Remember, the reciprocal of this is going to be 1/4. Can you see that? So this reciprocal can be written in the form of the 4th root. Okay, can be written as the 4th root. So this can be written as the 4th root. This can be written from exponential to the sets. So if you remove this 4 as the exponent, then you're going to have the 4th root of 1,125. Am I right? So then 1,125 is 1 plus 0, 125. So then what is the answer here? Then we're going to add, what is it going to subtract? So then the answer is going to be, if you punch the calculator here, it's going to be 1,02988,357. So this is 1 plus 4. Then what is I there? Divided by 4 equals to, let's check whether we are on the right track. Then if you subtract 1 there, if you subtract 1 from this, is going to get 0,02988,357 and so on and so on. And then for I is equals to, we multiply by what? We multiply by 4. Let's see what we've got there. 0,02988,357 and so on, multiplied by 4. So the answer is going to be 0,195,3, so on and so on. So therefore your I effective, it's going to be equals to, what is the effective here? It's going to be, if you round it off, it's going to be 12,53%. Okay, because if it multiplied by 100, so it's going to be 12, or 11, let's get it there. Let's write the correct answer there. It's 11, 95%. Okay, so this is our final answer on the effective annual interest rate. Okay, then you can compare it to that nominal one, which is 12,5%. Okay, so that's how we calculate the effective annual interest rate. Okay, related to the nominal interest rate. Okay, guys. Now, with that note, this is what is important for you to check the condition again on this. If it says quarterly, half yearly, so that your N can change. If it says quarterly or half yearly, so your N here will be determined by the condition here on whether it's compounded, half yearly or quarterly. With those few words, I'll say to you, I don't know whether we should get to the next other activity on the nominal and the effective interest rates. Let's get another one. I'm sure some of you are thirsty to